In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MailerLite in German in 2025, step by step. We'll begin by opening MailerLite and either logging into your account or creating a new one if you're just getting started. As part of the setup, make sure you complete the basic account configuration, including verifying your email address and your sending domain. This is an important part of the process because it helps improve deliverability and makes your account fully ready for email marketing. Once you're inside, take a moment to get familiar with the dashboard. The main areas you'll be working with are subscribers, campaigns, forms, automations, sites, integrations, and the file manager. Each section has a specific purpose. Subscribers is where you manage your contacts, campaigns is where you build and send emails, forms helps you collect new signups, and automations lets you create email sequences. Sites, integrations, and the file manager support the rest of your workflow. Next, go to the subscribers section and click Add Subscribers. Here, you can bring contacts into MailerLite in a few different ways. You can import a CSV or a TXT file, copy and paste data from Excel, or add subscribers manually one by one. Choose the method that best matches the size of your list and how your data is currently stored. After that, go to Subscribers and then Groups. Create a group to organize your contacts clearly. For example, you might create groups for newsletter, new leads, or customers. Keeping contacts organized from the beginning makes sending targeted emails much easier later on. Now head over to Forms. This is where you create a sign-up form so visitors can join your email list. Customize the form to match your needs, and make sure you connect it to the correct subscriber group so new contacts are added to the right place automatically. When you're ready to send your first email, open the campaign section and click Create. Choose regular campaign, then decide whether you want to start with a template or build from scratch. If you're a beginner, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest option. Design your email by adding text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want. You can also adjust the layout and fonts to match your brand. When everything looks right, click Done Editing. Next, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments that should receive the email. You can also exclude certain groups or segments if needed. Then preview the email carefully, check how it appears on different screen sizes, test every link, and send yourself a test email before sending the final version. Finally, review the campaign details and decide whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. You can also create an automation by going to Automation, selecting Create Workflow, choosing a trigger like joins a group, adding an email step, including a delay if needed, and activating the workflow when it's ready. After your campaign is sent, check your reports and monitor opens, clicks, and unsubscribes so you can improve future emails.